for premium market. Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is poised to rise today, and that's after a robust overnight trade on Wall Street. The global markets gained as US consumer confidence rebounded in December. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 would open 52 points or 0.75% higher. On Wednesday, the benchmark index ended 1.3% higher at 7,115 points. Moving on to some business news from this morning now. Kogan.com has acquired Brosa, one of Australia's largest online luxury furniture retailers, out of administration. The purchase price is $1.5 million plus logistics support for thousands of customers with undelivered orders. Founded in 2014, Brosa has delivered practical design-led furniture. Their revenue for financial year 2022 was $75 million, which was largely generated online. And the Brosa community consists of almost 500,000 subscribers. The company was backed by venture capital investors and had invested tens of thousands of dollars in marketing and brand building. And it was recently valued at over $60 million. Silk Laser Australia, one of the largest specialist non-surgical aesthetics clinic networks across Australia and New Zealand, is pleased to announce it's entered into a binding agreement to acquire Eden Laser Clinics, subject to certain customary completion adjustments and conditions. Eden Laser Clinics is a network of full-service aesthetic clinics established 11 years ago, offering laser hair removal, skin treatments, tattoo removal, body sculpting and injectable treatments. Eden Laser Clinics operates 10 cosmetic clinics across New South Wales and the ACT. After the acquisition, Silk will have a network of 141 clinics across Australia and New Zealand. The acquisition price on a cash-free, debt-free basis is estimated at $8.4 million. And Kelsian has been awarded a new Sydney bus services contract. Kelsian Group subsidiary Transit Systems New South Wales has, after a competitive tender process, entered into a binding contract with Transport for New South Wales. The contract is for the combined operation and maintenance of 359 buses located at 4 depots and will be staffed by over 650 employees. The new contract secures more than $800 million in revenue over the contract term and will start in August next year. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Taking a look at the global markets, and on Wall Street, the Dow Jones rose 1.6%. The S&P 500 was up 1.55% and the Nasdaq ended 1.54% higher. The MSCI All World Index rose around 1.1%. And in Europe, the Stoxx 600 rose 1.64%. The FTSE was up 1.72% and the DAX gained 1.54%, with the CAC ending 2.01% higher. Oil prices rose by more than 2.5% yesterday after data suggested a larger than expected draw in US crude stockpiles. But gains were capped by growing concerns over demand in China and a snowstorm that's expected to hit US travel. Brent crude futures for February delivery were up $2.23 US cents, that's 2.8%, at $82.22 a barrel. WTI crude futures gained $2.03 to $78.26 a barrel. Now, gold prices were a little changed yesterday, holding above the key $1,800 US level, and expectations of slower US rate hikes lent support, but the rise in the dollar capped further gains. US gold futures remained unchanged from the previous session at $1,825 US dollars. Chinese iron ore and steel futures rose yesterday, rebounding after 2 days of losses. And that's on news that China's Evergrande Group has resumed work on some property projects, bringing relief to a market worried about demand prospects in China. The most traded May iron ore on China's Dalian Commodity Exchange ended daytime trade 3.6% higher at 829 yuan a tonne. Well, that's all for our ASX Breakfast Report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.